The Redmi Note 13 is still a solid choice, especially for those looking for a budget-friendly smartphone with good features. It offers a balanced mix of performance, camera quality, and battery life, making it a reliable device for everyday tasks. The phone is powered by a capable processor for its price range, allowing for smooth multitasking and even decent gaming performance. The camera system performs well in good lighting, capturing detailed photos that are great for social media. Additionally, it features a large battery that can comfortably last a day or more on a single charge, supporting fast charging to minimize downtime. While there may be newer models with upgraded features, the Redmi Note 13 remains a value-packed option with all the essentials covered, making it an excellent choice for users who don't necessarily need the latest specs but still want a dependable device.